Well guys, namaste. I'm Govinda Bhatroy and I have brought you here another topic that is conditional sentence, especially of type 3. Type 3 we will see here on the basis of the conditional probability. And let's begin with type 2, it will be easier for us. So can you make one sentence using type 2? Well, if I worked hard, right, I would earn money. Yes, this is what we have written it in conditional sentence type 2. Condition clause, subordinate clause, if clause, and the main clause is there. And let's change it into type 3 here for this one. If I had worked hard, I would have earned money. You see here, this is in type 3 now. So to find it out, we need to compare what has been actually changed here. So the changes you can see. Changes. What changes? Same. Subject is also same. But here worked has been changed into worked into had worked. Other same you can see in if clause. And here subject same, after there is would earn is there, and it has been changed here, would have earned, right? So what is the changes you can see here? Worked, this means verb 2 has been changed into had plus verb 3. Technically this is simple past. Simple past has been changed into this is past perfect. Alright, so similarly you can see here would earn has been changed into in its perfective form, like would have earned there. After would have has been added and main verb has been changed into verb 3 here. This means would have plus verb 3 is there. This is how we can make sentences in conditional sentence type 3. So let's make another one from there, please. If Gopal had studied hard, right, he would have passed the exam, right? You see here Gopal, one of the students. If he had studied hard, he would have passed the exam. But what is reality here? This reality is, unfortunately, he failed the exam. This means, similarly, if I had worked hard, I would have earned money, but I have no money. I'm penniless now because I did not work hard here. This means there is no probability. This is just for repeat. Alright? That's why conditional sentence type 3, they are impossible. Alright, so let's make here structure for this one. So to make structures, you are habituated with it, how we can generalize it, right? So here common thing we will see here, that is if plus subject plus what is common, you see here, add studied, add plus verb 3. This means in main class subject plus would have is common there, would have plus after would have there is verb 3. So this is the structure of conditional sentence type 3. we need to consider about it, and we can make sentences using conditional sentence type 3. Okay, thank you.